The agency model you are currently running is already obsolete, and if you don't pivot now, you are going to be left behind by the service as software revolution. Let's face the brutal reality of the traditional service business. For decades, the agency model has been trapped in a linear equation that kills scalability. You sell time for money. If you want to double your revenue, you usually have to double your headcount. You are constantly balancing on a tightrope between sales and fulfillment. If you sell too much, your team burns out and quality drops. If you focus too much on fulfillment, your pipeline dries up. It is the classic feast or famine cycle, and it is exhausting.
You are not building an asset. You are building a high-stress job that you can never truly step away from. But right now, we are witnessing a tectonic shift in the business landscape. We are moving from the era of software as a service to service as a software. This is the B14 prediction that changes everything for agency owners.
The problem has always been that services are high-touch and hard to scale, while software is scalable but lacks the specific results-driven nuance of a service. The solution is the convergence of these two worlds, powered by artificial intelligence. Service as software means you stop selling hours and start selling outcomes delivered by code.
Think about your current deliverables. Whether you are doing SEO audits, writing ad copy, generating leads, or analyzing data, you are likely relying on humans to execute repetitive cognitive tasks. In the new model, you take your unique domain expertise, your secret sauce, and you encode it into AI agents and automation workflows.
You are no longer a service provider. You are the architect of a system that performs the service. Imagine onboarding a new client. In the old world, this meant meetings, manual data entry, and weeks of ramp-up time.
In the service as software world, the client connects their data, and your AI infrastructure immediately begins executing the strategy. Fulfillment becomes instantaneous. Your margins explode because the cost of replication drops to near zero.
You are no longer limited by how many account managers you can hire. You are only limited by server capacity. This shift allows you to escape the valuation trap. Traditional agencies typically sell for a 1x to 3x multiple of their EBITDA because they are risky and people-dependent. Software companies sell for 10x, 20x, or even 50x revenue because they are scalable assets. By productizing your service into software, you are not just increasing your monthly income, you are building generational wealth. Do not let the technical barrier scare you. The era of needing a massive engineering team is over. With the current state of low-code tools and natural language programming, you can build these solutions yourself. The barrier to entry isn't coding anymore. It is the specific knowledge of how to solve a problem. You have that knowledge. You have the agency experience. Now, you must simply change the delivery vehicle. This is your moment to transition from a grinder to a founder. The market is hungry for results, not hours. They do not care if a human wrote the email or if an AI did. They care that the lead converted. If you can deliver the result faster, cheaper, and more reliably through software, you win. The service sector is being eaten by software, and you have a choice. You can either be the one on the menu, or you can be the one holding the fork. It is time to stop renting out your time and start building your platform. Comment revolution below if you are ready to turn your manual service into a scalable software empire.